Hi viewers, we present a motivational story about a hunter's boy and a monkey. The story is very interesting. If you like my story, please subscribe my channel and like my video. I shall thankful to you. Story is a jungle.
The Valley of Chinars. It was very beautiful. The chinar trees were tall and strong. Their leaves were big and green. In the valley, a clear stream flowed. The air was fresh and sweet. In the sun's light, the leaves were shining. It was a peaceful place.
Dad, tell me more about the animals of the forest.
Shahid lived in a small village near the valley. This village was nestled among the mountains, where the air was filled with freshness. He was 10 years old. Shahid's face was always full of smiles, and his eyes had a sparkle that reflected his curiosity. His father was a famous hunter. He was well respected in their village, and his stories were heard far and wide. He had many stories about the animals of the forest. Every night, when the moonlight spread all around, he would tell Shahid his exciting stories. Shahid loved listening to his father's stories. He would listen attentively and cherish every story in his heart.
Son, the forest is full of wonders. Here, every tree, every plant, and every animal tells a different story. Every animal has its own story. Some stories are of courage, some of friendship, and some of struggle.
He often went to the forest with his father. Every trip to the forest was a new experience, and Shahid learned something new each time. He loved watching animals. He would watch them for hours, trying to understand their movements. But Shahid never wanted to hurt them. He loved animals very much and was always concerned about their safety. One night, as they both sat by the fire, Shahid asked his father, "Dad, can I also become a hunter like you when I grow up?" His father smiled and said, "Son, you can be whatever you want to be. But remember, a true hunter is one who respects animals and protects them." Shahid listened carefully to his father's words and decided in his heart that he too would one day become a hunter who respects and protects animals. After that night, a new dream awakened in Shahid's heart. He knew he had to be like his father, but in his own way.
Dad, can I go hunting alone today?
You are still young. Hunting is not easy.
Shahid insisted. Finally, his father agreed.
You can go, but don't kill any animal. Learn to catch them.
He gave Shahid a net and some rope. He was eating fruit from a tree. The monkey was very happy because he had found his favorite fruits. He was sitting comfortably and enjoying the sweet fruits. Just then, he saw a monkey. The monkey was very playful and was jumping between the trees. His movements were very funny. But he didn't try to catch them. He just kept watching them and enjoying their movements. He loved watching animals. He saw colorful birds. The birds were very beautiful, and their chirping echoed through the forest. He kept watching the birds fly. He saw deer and rabbits. The deer were very calm, and the rabbits were running very fast. He kept watching their agility and speed. He saw many animals. There were animals everywhere in the forest. Every animal had its own specialty, and he was watching them all carefully. Shahid went into the forest. He was admiring the beauty of the forest and observing everything carefully. He was enjoying walking in the forest.
I'll set a trap and wait. Shahid thought he would catch the monkey. He set the trap very carefully and hid, waiting.
The monkey was very clever, but he got caught in the trap. Shahid was happy. He thought his hard work had paid off, and he had succeeded in catching the monkey.
I caught the monkey! Shahid shouted with joy. He was feeling very proud.
The monkey made sounds as if he was asking for help. The other monkeys in the forest also started shouting after hearing his voice.
The monkey looked at Shahid. His eyes were sad. It was as if he wanted to say something but couldn't express it in words. There was a deep sadness in his eyes that touched Shahid's heart. He made a soft sound. It was like a sound of pain or suffering, which echoed in Shahid's ears. Shahid felt that this monkey was in some trouble. Shahid felt sorry for the monkey. He thought if he didn't help this monkey, who would? A feeling of compassion arose in his heart. He knew he couldn't keep him like this. Shahid thought that animals also have the right to freedom, just like humans. He decided that he would set this monkey free.
I can't keep you captive. You should be free. Shahid said to the monkey, You should go back to your world where you can be happy.
Shahid opened the trap. The monkey was free. As soon as the trap opened, the monkey took a deep breath, as if he had felt his freedom. He jumped out and ran to Shahid. The monkey looked at Shahid. There was gratitude in his eyes. He gently touched his hand. It was a gesture of thanks, which touched Shahid's heart. Then he took Shahid to his family. The monkey's family was also happy to see Shahid. All the monkeys were happy to see their friend. They welcomed Shahid as if he were their own. Shahid learned a lesson that day. He realized that animals should be treated the same way as humans. He learned that animals have feelings too. They too can feel sadness, happiness, and love. He decided that he would never hunt again. He thought it was better to protect animals than to kill them. He would protect the animals and the forest. He decided that he would dedicate his life to the welfare of animals. Shahid became friends with all the animals of the Chinar Valley. He made a new relationship with the animals, which was forever.